Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is WAEC 2019 and the question goes thus. If 6, P and 14 are consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression AP, find the value of P. Okay, this is an arithmetic progression question, okay, and we're told we're given 3 consecutive terms, 6, P and 14, and how do we find out the value of P, which that is what the question is asking. Yes, do you remember that there is a general form in which an arithmetic progression is written? Okay, let me the first term, which is represented by the letter A, and the second term is A plus D. A is the first term, whatever value you have in the first term, and D is the common difference. Okay, so this gives you the second term. This is the first term. Okay, this is the second term, and the third term in this general form is A plus 2D. The fourth term is A plus 3D, and so on. Okay, so basically what this implies is that once you know the common difference, because if you know the common difference, take for instance, if it is 2, that is a common difference between the first and the second term, you just need to add 2 to the first term, okay, and that will give you the second term. So but now we don't even know the common difference. So how can we find that out? Okay, the first term we know. In the third term we have the first term known, the common difference is not known, but we know the final result, which is 14. So we're going to quickly use this to find the common difference. Then we add it to the first term to get the value of P. Okay, so since we know the first term and we're told that the first term as given in the question is 6, so we have 6 plus 2D equals 14. Okay, so we need to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation, so we have 14 minus 6, and this will give us what? 8. Good. So what are we going to do now? As usual, okay, good, you say we'll divide both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, so we have the common difference now as 4. Good. So let's go to the second term in the general form, which says A plus D, and A is 6, and the common difference now found is 4, so the final value is what? 10. Good. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.